Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be unboxing the battery for the LG C1500, so I can do a review on it. Now, this is a new, but I don't think it's an OEM. I think it's an aftermarket battery. That's fine. Just go ahead and open it up and take a look. I also have a couple more unboxings coming up, guys. I'm really sorry that I've been slacking on videos. I've been working on my car since I had that deer, so I've been working on it, getting it back up to running. So that's where a lot of my money's been going. So I haven't been able to buy many phones right now. But as soon as I get the car done, you can guarantee it that we're going to get back to it. It looks like this is an OEM LG battery. So it looks like a Audible offer. 2 months of free. If you guys want the first person to use it when I post this video, we'll get it. I don't know if it's going to work or not, guys, but there you go. That's what it says. 2 months are free. Plus $10 Amazon credit, it says. I don't know. There's a code number. Pause the video, take it down. First one to use it, you can have it. I don't use Audible. I don't use Amazon, not really anyways. I'm not that kind of a reading person, so. Here is the battery. It's dated 10/9/12, which that already sounds great, considering we're in 2019. It looks really good. It's already got an AT&T SIM card in here. We got a new phone with a new battery. And it's probably dead. Oh, it's not. But I want to do the startup. You guys have to wait for the video on that one. So I'm going to pause it until it turns on. As you can tell, it is basically dead though. But this phone is fully working now. So sweet. That's always nice to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the new battery for the LG C1500, and then also don't forget the Audible card. Whoever watches this video first, I guess, go over and get you, I guess it says 2 free months. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more videos coming up.